When it comes to Adobe Premiere Elements 2020, there are just limitless options to how you can time your video clips. I've shown you in a previous video, which I'll add on the end screen, how to time stretch your clip here and change how long or how short the clip is. What I have not shown you before is how you can reverse the clip, which means that when it plays forward, so to speak, in one direction, like it is now, I can go back, right click, hit the clip option and time stretch, and then check this box here that says reverse speed. I'm going to hit OK on this, and suddenly it goes to the end of the clip, renders the files, and it plays backwards in the opposite direction of the original video. This, of course, has all kinds of uses and is very simple to do, as you just saw. But I want to go into time stretch again and uncheck this reverse speed box. And I'm going to mess around with this a little bit because I can change the speed as I have shown you before. And I'm going to go somewhere right about here. I'm going to split the clip. I'm going to go a little farther, split the clip again, and then a little farther after this, right here, I'll split it. And what this accomplishes is that we can take each of these clips, change the time inside of it without adjusting the entire clip. And when it runs, the image won't jump at all. It'll stay the same inside of the frame here. So we're going to go this one right here, and we're going to change the time. We're going to go to 200%, and it's going to fly right by. See, it's already shorter on the timeline down below. But to make this more interesting, we're going to take the very next clip and change its time. And we're going to take it only down to 50. So this is going to play much slower than normal. And as you see, it takes up more space on the timeline because it takes longer to play. And what this does, it gives us a neat effect where one part goes faster and is immediately followed by a much slower effect.